In the world of enslavement, food was never just food. It was survival, memory, resistance, and skill passed quietly from one generation to the next. When rations were thin or non-existent, enslaved people turned to small wild game, raccoon, beaver, and rabbit, as a way to nourish their bodies and preserve their lives. These animals were not hunted for sport. They were hunted out of necessity. Enslaved men, women, and children used knowledge carried from Africa and learned from the land itself, tracking signs, setting traps, moving silently through woods and swamps after long days of forced labor. These locally hunted game meat became a crucial supplement to plantation rations of cornmeal, salt, and occasional fat. Coon, also called coon, often wild and lean, required patience. It was slow-cooked, smoked, or stewed for hours to make it tender. Beaver, prized for its dense meat and fat, was often prepared in stews or broths that could stretch across several meals. Rabbit, small but plentiful, was trapped close to living quarters and cooked whole, every part valued, nothing wasted. Bones flavored gravies. Organs were eaten, not discarded. Scarcity demanded respect for the animal and ingenuity from the cook. Seasoning came from what could be gathered: wild onions, peppergrass, bay leaves, and hot peppers grown in hidden garden plots. These meals were rarely written about, rarely photographed, and almost never credited. Yet they sustained communities and built the foundation of what we now call soul food. This was not cuisine born of choice, it was cuisine born of endurance. Cooking small wild game was an act of quiet defiance, a way to claim autonomy over one's body when nearly everything else was controlled. Each pot simmering over a fire told a story. We are still here. We still know how to feed ourselves. When we talk about boar, beaver, and rabbit today, we are not talking about novelty or nostalgia. We are honoring a tradition of survival, wisdom, and resilience, stories that deserve to be remembered, spoken aloud, and passed on. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.